Project Wisdom, the Ansible native AI. So I successfully installed it inside my VS Code editor. As you can see, there is an extension Ansible and with Ansible Lightspeed already enabled down below. This is a closed beta, so it's not the final product. As you can see, I'm testing today, 18th of April 2023, and let me showcase how it works. So let's say that we are typing a playbook, in this case named Ansible AI, with target host all of our inventory. So far everything like normal, we are typing our code there, but this Ansible.built-in ping arrived directly as a suggestion from the AI, based on the name of the task. So this is how it works. It tries to predict what will be our next input in the code. So let's try again. For example, let's install a web server Apache 2 package. And when I hit enter, it loads a little bit and it shows us some prediction. Okay, this is so good. Let me add just a little bit more context. In this case, I would like to add a when condition Ansible underscore distribution equal Debian, because Apache 2 is a package available only on Debian-like distribution, and this is something that we need to know. And also, I would prefer using directly the apt package, the apt module instead of a package. But now let me try to restart the service after the installation, and let me do as a handler. So let me specify the notify restart Apache, and let's see if it's able to predict also a task in a handler section. So restart not SSH Apache 2 service. Cool. Wow. Boom. I obtained a lot of text. As you can see, there are 4 lines of text. Actually the notify section is not good because it doesn't make sense in the handler context, and neither the when clause because it will be executed only if the previous task was executed. So as you can see, this is a very good tool for prototyping, but we need a little bit to understand the context. Okay, now let's flip everything. Let's do it. For example, let's suppose that we change distribution from Debian to Red Hat. Let's see if this AI is able to understand that we are in a completely different context. So the web server is not Apache, is HTTPD. And now let me, for example, enable the service on boot. So I'm going to try to be focused on the service. So service enabled and started will be the final status that we would like to achieve, and boom, we obtained some 4 lines of code that look fantastic. It will be exactly the code that I would like to type. Using the service module, specify the name of the service, the state started and enabled on boot. Perfect. This perfect suggestion. Now let me display also a success message at the end of my playbook. This time I would like to use the module debug. Yes, exactly. Okay, cool. This is great. I rather prefer the YAML syntax to the inline. So let me change a little bit this stuff, and let me delete the packages variable because there is no packages in this playbook. And so far so good. So I received today, 18th of April 2023, this closed beta. This is just a preliminary version, but I was shocked like a baby the day of Christmas, because this is a fantastic tool that really can speed up our development time. And as you can see, the quality of the result is amazing. Is not a perfect production code because As I showed to you, I need to change some variable, I need to understand what I'm doing, but it dramatically reduced my time to code, and even if it's only 50%, this could be something, and I can see how it could improve the productivity in a business, so I'm really surprised. Thank you so much for this opportunity. I hope you like to see this Ansible AI. I will try out other corner case, I will do a lot of tests, but for now I'm so happy to show to you this tool, and wow, really impressive. Now I understand why was a long time waited from Ansible Fest 2022, excuse me. So I'm looking for what will be presented on the Ansible Fest 2023. My name is Luca Burton, Ansible automation expert, and see us on the next automation adventure. Have a great rest of the day, and let's automate more. Bye!